everyone, welcome back to my channel. So for today we're making this fluffy marshmallow fruit salad, and just one bite is all you need and you will forever be obsessed with its light fruity taste. Now let's get started. To start this marshmallow fluff salad, it couldn't be any simpler. We first need to prepare our pudding. This is a box of banana instant pudding mix. This flavor will really complement this combination of ingredients. Use whichever brand you like, or even use an already prepared pudding from the store. Now once it's all mixed up, you will then put that off to the side and add to your mixing bowl 1 tub of Cool Whip. If you're looking to use less sugar, some fresh whipped cream will also work as well. Next, you're going to pour in all of that delicious banana pudding and give it a gentle mix. For those of you who are new to my channel, I post every other day fun recipes like this one right here. Be sure to subscribe so you won't miss out. Now it's time to add all of the fruit. This is a half of a can of juicy mandarin oranges and a half a cup of cut up pineapple. The combo is so sweet and juicy. Next goes in a sliced banana, which pairs incredibly well with that pudding. Give this a good mix, and for the best part, I'm adding a half a bag of mini marshmallows. These are fruit flavored marshmallows because I love the color, and believe it or not, the most outstanding fruit fluff marshmallow salad is ready. This just gets better as it sits. The pudding firms up in the fridge, and all of those marshmallows slightly soften, making the texture like nothing you've ever tried before. With the juicy pieces of fruit, that explosion of banana flavor, this is for sure one of your new favorite fruit salads.